Committee on Women Empowerment jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka jala hapo ka jingalam jong ka chairperson Dr. Amperin Lengdo hene ka sngi kala pan jing pensyai na katanat pulet halor ka jing mi ki jing keno bagidon ki jing ja sha bat bor ha way na ki MLA jong ka jala.
Crime and SPE's Khasi Hills. Then we had everyone from the health department also join in. We had around 10 people from the health department headed by their principal secretary, Mr. Sampath Kumarji, who was there. We discussed a few very important agendas. The first thing was that we talked to the DGP of Meghalaya Police of the state of Meghalaya to inquire onto the details of this alleged rape case against the Honorable MLA of North Tura. Because the media was giving us very conflicting interpretations. On one day they said there was this FIR filed, and then on the next day they say, victim may withdraw FIR. So we were getting very confused. So we thought that it would be the best thing is to have the Zoom meeting, invite the DGP of the government of Meghalaya and ask him as to whether or not this FIR really existed, what were the sections of law under which this FIR was filed, and whether or not it is a fact that the complainant or the victim of rape would withdraw her FIR, and whether it is a possibility. So we were able to get a lot of clarity on the matter. And yes, we are happy to hear that from the DGP himself that a case has been registered at Sadar under section 1546 and 76.2.506 IPC on the 1st of June. So the case number is 154/6/2021. So clearly the DGP in our deposition and in our interaction with him has indicated, yes, this is a real case, and yes, it has happened, and that the police have begun their investigations, and that everything was going as per law. So we want to share with you that there should be no ambiguity about that. We have highlighted to the DGP of the government of Meghalaya about the attempt to shame the victim, because several people are posting her pictures on the social media, are posting her videos on the social media. There's a lot of unnecessary gossip going on social media about her integrity, about her background, and we have requested the police to study these attempts to shame the victim, because this in itself is a violation of law. And nobody should disclose the name of the victim. Nobody should attempt to malign further the reputation of the victim. We also inquired from the DGP of the government of Meghalaya whether or not the victim has adequate access to legal aid. And there was a promise made that yes, the police will inquire, and necessary assistance to provide legal aid to this victim is also of prime importance, so that evaluation of what is true and what is false can be heard and can be evaluated. So we are going to be given a report from the Meghalaya police about whether or not the victim has the adequate legal aid.